guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another recipe which you must have known by the title now. Yes, it is bread upma. Everybody can easily find bread at their home and you must be very bored of eating it just as a sandwich, isn't it? So please try this recipe and let me know how did you like it. So without much delay, let's get started. So we will start with chopping the vegetables first. I have taken onion, tomato, frozen peas and 5 slices of bread. I'll be chopping finely both onion as well as tomato. I have washed the green peas which we will be using later. Now cut the bread into small pieces. I have taken brown bread here since I'm making a savory dish. You can take any bread of your choice. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on a preheated pan. 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Chopped onion. Saute them well. Cook it till golden brown. Chop tomato. Saute them well. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them well and cook it for 2 minutes. Add a cup of frozen peas. Mix them well and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Once it is cooked, if you see a little bit of water as you see in this video, just cook it for less than a minute without closing the lid. Now turn off the gas and add the sliced bread and give it a good mix. bread upma is now ready. This is actually a quick recipe, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this and let me know in the comments below if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe for more such videos. Until next video, bye bye.